Welcome back to Smart Home Hub. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the Tineco Floor 1 S3 Breeze, a cordless wet and dry vacuum cleaner and electric mop designed to make floor cleaning smarter, easier, and faster. Right out of the box, this all-in-one floor washer stands out with its sleek design and smart functionality. The Tineco S3 Breeze combines powerful vacuum suction with a wet mop system so you can pick up dry debris and wet messes in a single pass. No buckets, no cords, and no mess left behind. Under the hood, you get a cordless design powered by a 21.6-volt battery that delivers around 30 to 35 minutes of runtime on a full charge, giving you more than enough power to clean most homes without stopping. The dustbin holds up to 0.5 liters, and it uses a HEPA filter to trap fine particles and allergens as you go. One of the standout smart features is the iLoop Smart Sensor System. This tech automatically detects wet and dry messes and adjusts the suction and water flow in real time, so you get optimized cleaning performance without lifting a finger. An all-in-one LED display and helpful voice assistant keep you informed with live feedback on battery life, water tank status, and any blockages. Maintenance is a breeze thanks to a self-cleaning system that flushes the brush roll and internal tubes with just the press of a button, saving you time and keeping odors at bay. In real-world use, reviewers praise its ability to leave floors dry and streak-free in just minutes, and the cordless convenience means you can easily navigate stairs, kitchens, and living rooms without tripping over power cables. With smart features like app connectivity, voice prompts, and an ergonomic build, the Tineco Floor 1 S3 Breeze stands out as a versatile choice for busy homeowners who want a single tool that vacuums, mops, and maintains itself. Stay tuned as we break down its performance, real cleaning tests, pros and cons, and whether it's worth the investment for your smart home setup. Let's dive in.